Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a close look at the best cordless impact wrench high torque on the market, the SEESII impact wrench. This is a tool designed to save you time, cut down fatigue, and give you power when you need it the most, whether you're in the garage, on a job site, or working with heavy-duty machinery. The SEESII impact wrench is built around a high-performance brushless motor that delivers massive torque. It produces 738 foot-pounds of tightening torque and an incredible 886 foot-pounds of loosening torque. That's enough to remove rusted bolts in seconds and handle large truck tires with ease. With up to 2,900 impacts per minute and 2,400 RPM speed, it's engineered to give you professional-grade results at home or on the job. One of the standout features is its power system. This set includes not one, but two 21 volts 4.0 Ah batteries. That means double the runtime and zero downtime. Thanks to rapid charging, you can get up to 80% capacity in just half an hour, so you spend less time waiting and more time getting things done. A 3-level LED battery indicator lets you know exactly where your charge stands, so you're always prepared. Despite all that power, the tool is surprisingly compact and lightweight. At just under 4 pounds, it's designed with balance in mind, reducing fatigue even during long sessions. The 1/2-inch hog ring anvil makes socket changes quick and easy, saving precious minutes on repetitive tasks. Add to that a comfortable grip with anti-slip design, and you've got a tool that feels secure even in tough conditions. Durability is another area where SEESII shines. The wrench is built with a tungsten steel anvil and an alloy steel hammer, delivering up to 60% more impact resistance compared to many competitors. It's rated to withstand over 100,000 heavy-use cycles, and its military-grade housing can survive drops over a meter. That means it's built to last in demanding environments. On the safety and intelligence side, SEESII equips this impact wrench with smart chip protection. It guards against overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating, and short circuits. There's also an auto-stop function that prevents over-tightening, and a cooling system that keeps the motor safe during extended use. These smart protections not only keep you safe, but also extend the tool's life significantly. Ease of use hasn't been overlooked. Just slot in the battery, press the trigger, and you're ready to go. A locking switch prevents accidental starts during transport, while a bright LED work light lets you operate in dimly lit garages or nighttime worksites without issue. The control system offers variable speeds across 3 optimized gears, giving you delicate control for light jobs, solid power for everyday bolts, and maximum force for the most stubborn nuts. 2 reverse modes add even more flexibility. In summary, the SEESII impact wrench isn't just about raw power. It's about combining torque, durability, and smart design in a package that works as hard as you do. With long-lasting batteries, rapid charging, a rugged build, and features that reduce fatigue and improve safety, this is a serious tool for serious jobs. That wraps up today's review of the SEESII cordless impact wrench. If you're looking for the best cordless high-torque impact wrench that's versatile, tough, and ready for any challenge, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the tools and tech that make your work easier.